We are living in the era of technological advancements. So the question is, can AI replace your job in 2025? Imagine a world where humans and machines work side by side, or maybe where machines replace us entirely. The future is here, powered by artificial intelligence. The only question is, can AI replace your job in 2025? Well, first off, let's talk about the jobs that are at risk. According to a recent study, AI is advancing faster than ever. By 2025, millions of jobs are already at risk. Data entry clerks, cashiers, drivers, telemarketers. These roles are being automated rapidly because machines don't need rest. They don't ask for breaks, and they don't make mistakes. Picture a robot scanning groceries at a supermarket, an autonomous car driving through a city, an AI call center replacing human telemarketers, or empty office desks fading into robotic systems. Yep, that's the future, and it's happening sooner than you think. However, not all jobs are disappearing. Many are evolving. Teachers now use AI assistants in classrooms. Doctors rely on AI scans to detect diseases earlier. Designers use AI tools to create ideas faster than ever. In these fields, humans and AI together are an unstoppable team. Imagine a teacher with a holographic AI teaching assistant, a doctor reviewing futuristic AI-generated X-rays, or a designer dragging prompts to generate AI artwork instantly. And there are still some jobs safe from AI, at least for now: creative thinkers, leaders, innovators, and those who connect emotionally. Machines can process data, but they cannot feel empathy, imagination, or true human strategy. Think artists, leaders, actors, or anyone who uses their imagination to solve problems. Basically, if you're good with people, machines can't replace you yet. At least not until they develop a sense of humor. So again, can AI replace your job in 2025? Maybe. But here's the truth. If you adapt, reskill, and embrace technology, AI won't take your job. It will become your most powerful partner. The future is not about AI versus jobs. It's about AI plus you. And that is a partnership that will change the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.